Today, we're going to be talking about how dogs see the world differently than humans do. We all know that humans and dogs have a special bond, but did you know that the differences in our vision play a huge role in that connection? Dogs can see in the dark, have more peripheral vision, and can even detect movement better than us humans. First, let's talk about how dogs see in the dark. Dogs have a structure in their eyes that reflects light called the tapetum lucidum, which helps them to see in the dark. This structure is not present in human eyes. So in the dark, we rely on artificial light to see. Please share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also smash that bell notification icon so that I can keep on sending you important similar information like this. Let's take a closer look at why dogs see the world differently than humans do. As we all know, dogs are our beloved companions and they play a special role in our lives. But have you ever stopped to think about how they experience the world around them? Well, it turns out that dogs have a different visual system than humans do. For one, they have a higher density of receptors in their retina, which allows them to see better in low-light conditions. This is why dogs are often able to navigate their surroundings when it's dark outside, while we may struggle to see. In terms of color vision, dogs are not able to see the full spectrum of colors like we do. They are thought to see mostly in shades of blue, yellow, and gray. Some studies have also suggested that dogs may have some level of color vision, but it is not as advanced as ours. Another way that dogs see the world differently is through their wider field of vision. Dogs have a field of vision that is about 250 degrees, while humans have a field of vision of only about 180 degrees. This means that dogs are able to see more of their surroundings at once, while we have to turn our heads to see different parts of our environment. But while dogs have a wider field of vision, their visual acuity is not as good as ours. This means that they are not able to see small details as clearly as humans can. In addition to their visual system, dogs also have a structure in their brains called the vomeronasal organ, which allows them to detect pheromones and other chemical signals. This helps them to identify other animals and communicate with them. So as you can see, dogs see the world in a way that is adapted to their needs as predators and social animals. Their vision allows them to navigate their environment, communicate with other animals, and hunt for food. So why do dogs see the world differently than humans? It is because of their unique anatomy and physiology, which gives them the ability to see in the dark, have wider peripheral vision, and see the world in shades of blue, yellow, and gray. These differences in vision create a special bond between humans and dogs. We can rely on our canine companions to see the world in a different way and help us navigate the darkness. It's really fascinating to think about how our furry friends experience the world around them. I hope you enjoyed learning more about how dogs see the world differently than humans do. Get ready to learn more about your beloved pup. Coming up is a video that gives you the chance to gain a greater understanding of your dog's behavior and needs. With this informative video, you'll be able to better communicate and strengthen your bond with your furry friend.